Let's prepare to rest in Shavasana. Slowly begin to lie down on your mat. Feel free to add props if required. Take these initial few seconds to comfortably set yourself on the mat. Allow yourself to space out the arms, the legs, keeping your head in the center. Notice if the back of your neck is arching. Allow your chin to gently press in towards the chest. Observe how the body is rested on the mat, from your head to the feet, allowing each and every part to start relaxing. Take your awareness to the back of your body and notice how the skin comes in contact with the floor, with your mat. Just being aware of this connect with the earth. Start driving the awareness inside your body. Begin to arrive within the body. Take your awareness to the soles of your feet, allowing it to completely relax. Shifting the awareness up to the ankles, the calf muscles, the knees, fully relaxing. Shifting the awareness up to the thighs, the hips, the groin, the pelvis, allowing it to fully relax. Take note of your lower extremities from the feet up to the hips, staying fully rested. Now shift the awareness to the back of your body, at the hips, at the lumbar, completely relaxing here. Taking your awareness up towards the spine, relaxing the muscles of the back. Now shifting the awareness to your abdomen, relaxing the belly, the chest cavity, completely relaxing the trunk of your body. Now move the awareness to your fingertips, softening up the center of your palm, relaxing your wrist, your forearms, the elbow, and relaxing all the way up to your shoulders. Check on the space between your shoulders and neck. Allow that region to soften up, relaxing the muscles of your throat, the neck, shifting the awareness to the face. Begin to fully soften up the muscles of the face, checking on your jaws, the mouth, unclenching your teeth, creating a softness inside your mouth. Relaxing the right side of your face, the left side of your face. Relaxing your forehead, the crown of your head, the back of your head. Now notice how every little part in the body from your head to the toes is beginning to feel completely relaxed. Start to move your awareness to your breath. Notice this gentle flow of the breath in and out of you. Letting the breath be completely natural, effortless, freely flowing in, freely flowing out. Notice how your body is like a still lake and your breath are like gentle, subtle ripples adding the movement. Just continue to stay with this steady rhythm of the breath. With every breath that you take, allowing your body to completely surrender into the mat. Letting your breath be the anchor of the present moment. Continue to be rested here for the next couple of moments. And now, you may slowly begin to move your fingers and toes. Gently begin to bend the knees, preparing to turn over to your right side. Then slowly press into the ground, come up in a seated position. As you sit up, start to rub your palms, creating some warmth. Cupping the palms to your eyes and face, and slowly begin to blink your eyes as you open them up. Thank you very much. I hope you had a very restful Shavasana.